Step 3 is finishing up the slide. So just to recap really quickly, we've already talked about themes, which you can go back and edit anytime. We've already talked about the pages, which you can go and add pages as we go through the course. And I'm going to remind you to go back to the syllabus, go back to our rubric for this unit on creating this portfolio, because everything that I've laid out there is everything that you're going to need here, okay? And we're also going to get a little more creative with some of the things that we do here. So just know everything is editable all the time. Now, things to keep in mind, okay? Here's where the last buttons I want to show you. So up at the top, you can always go back and undo something that you have. So simply, I just deleted one of my letters in my name, and I can go back and edit that. So if you ever need to go back for some reason, you can do so. If you hit the preview button, it's going to load, and this is what, if someone went to your website, what they would see, okay? You can also change it to be a phone view. You can change it to be an iPad view or a computer view, okay? To get out of this, you're going to hit X, and it will bring you back to your editing page, okay? The other things I would like you to do is you're going to add an editor, okay? This is so I can get into it. So you're going to actually add me, and if you do it down here, it's going to be Bryce4079, super easy, okay? Other things I'd really like you to do, so when you add an editor, I'm going to be able to get into it. Other than that, at this point, it's private, okay? This is just so I can access it as your teacher. The last button that you need to take in consideration is the publish button. When you publish it, all you're going to do at this point is anyone at MyNCSD, okay, can visit your website, and you're going to type in your last name, and that's going to be how we get to your website, okay? If you'd like to, you can add maybe your country name, but I would just add your last name. When you hit the publish button, it will now pop up, and you now can have this website. Every time you update your website, so let me just point something out. Let's just say I delete this whole name, okay? If I don't hit the publish button, and I can show you, if I view the publish site right now, my name is still on there. But if I go back to edit it, it isn't. So if I publish it, it's going to update it. And I encourage you, every time you're done this class, when you're closing out, hit the publish button. It's like a save button. So make sure you hit publish. This is it. This is pretty much, I've showed you all the tools and how to use them. The last video is troubleshooting. I'm going to show you some things that are kind of a pain in the butt and some things that I'm requiring to include on yours. So check out the last video for troubleshooting to get through kind of all these insert buttons, and I'll show you how to do it. Okay.